just got this delivered from the United States of America to Israel in some 5 days via UPS. Nice job, Rubber. So we've got a nice, luxurious, I guess, packaging. This when your fingers on it, then you feel it. Very nice touch. Let's open it up. Here we have hashtag make yours memorable, which I guess is intended to use that hashtag when you upload your watch with the strap to social media, which is a nice touch, of course. Now here we have some papers, some look how awesome we are, and maintenance. Now we're taking out the strap itself. I gotta say, I'm a little disappointed by how it is packaged. Now the packaging is nice, but I mean, I don't know. I think that it could have been a little bit more luxurious. And I will say this again. I will repeat this again. This is a $240 strap. Now this is a luxurious strap. It's a luxury strap. So I don't know. I think that they could have invested a little more in the packaging. But I'm gonna. I mean, I am nitpicking, but I won't let this disrupt my experience because the strap itself seems to be very good quality. It feels very good to the touch. It also has a nice scent to it, which is not vanilla like you used. It's something else. I don't know exactly how to describe it, but it's a good scent. And the strap is. It has two keepers, and it says Rubber B, Swiss made. Very supple and flexible, which is very important. There are only 7 adjustment holes, which is quite interesting. So let us fit the watch on it and see how it wears. So here it is, sitting on the Rubber B strap. Gotta say, very impressed by how it wears, how it looks. Very solid. It does look like this strap was made for this specific watch, and it sits flush between the lugs. Looks really good, yeah. But again, is it so flush? We have to check again. There's a little play. There's a little play here at the end link, as you can see. Very, very little play, but enough to make me think maybe I fit it wrong or anything. But I checked, and there's really no other way to fit it. It's pretty simple and basic. So yeah, I guess that's a little disappointing unless I'm missing something, and this is something that is normal with this kind of straps, because this also happened on my my Crafter Blue strap, which I put on my Black Bay ETA. So maybe it's just a thing that you cannot avoid. Anyway, let's see how it was on my wrist. And there it is on my wrist. My wrist is 7-inch. As always, the camera makes it look a little smaller because of the distance. It looks very well on the strap. It feels good. Wraps the wrist nicely. Very comfortable. And I'm very happy with how it sits, how it fits. And as you can see, there's no issue with the end links when I fit it on when I wear it on the wrist. So yeah, it feels high quality. I guess I will say that it feels luxury now because you know, I'm biased because I paid $240 for this strap. But I mean, put this aside, yeah, it feels like something that is high quality. it remains to be seen how it lasts, how it wears, how it is in long usage. But my overall impressions are positive. And again, take my things with a grain of salt because I did pay good money for this. But I can understand why people like these rubber PA straps. One thing that I didn't like is that they didn't send spring bars with this. I mean, you buy a luxury strap for 240 US dollars, you can throw in a couple of spring bars. But other than that, it's good. I'm happy, and I will perhaps I will do an in-depth review as we move along. Thanks for watching.